Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you the best time to post on TikTok on Tuesday. There's no specific time, the best time when to post your TikToks, no matter what the day of the week it is, because TikTok's algorithm is highly personalized and TikTok shows content to users based on their interests and behavior. So go to your profile, and in the top right corner of your screen you see 3 horizontal lines. This is the menu, this is what we need. And then go to TikTok Studio if you have your business account, and then go to Analytics, and then at the top select Viewers section, and here scroll down, you will see the section Most Active Times, and this is basically the hours when your viewers are most active, and this will be the real best time to post your TikToks for you, exactly for you. Also, we have another video on our channel that is called How to Analyze TikTok Analytics, and there I will show I'm showing to you how to launch basically this analytics tool where you can access this hours most active times. And also try be consistent with your posting, so 3 to 5 videos per week will be perfect. And also you can try experimenting with timing and adjust based on what gets the most engagement. So that's it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.